Welcome to the ultimate AI showdown. Two revolutionary AI giants are battling for supremacy. ChatGPT, the conversational powerhouse developed by OpenAI, versus Google Gemini, the latest AI contender from Google's cutting-edge research labs. But there's more to this rivalry than meets the eye. How did these AI models come to life? Who are the masterminds behind their development? How much money has been poured into perfecting them? And most importantly, which one is leading the AI revolution? Today, we uncover the untold story behind ChatGPT and Google Gemini. This isn't just about comparing features. It's about understanding the ambition, investment, and influence shaping the future of artificial intelligence. Let's dive in. ChatGPT was born from a vision to revolutionize human-AI interaction. OpenAI, a research lab founded by Elon Musk and Sam Altman, aimed to create a conversational AI like no other. The journey began in 2015 with the development of the first version, GPT-1. GPT-1 was groundbreaking, but limited in its conversational abilities. It wasn't until the release of GPT-2 that things started to change. GPT-2 demonstrated unprecedented text generation capabilities. However, OpenAI withheld its full release, fearing misuse for misinformation and propaganda. The real game changer came in 2020 with GPT-3. GPT-3, with 175 billion parameters, became the largest and most powerful language model at the time. It could write essays, generate code, and even simulate human-like conversations. This led to the creation of ChatGPT, an interactive version designed for real-world applications. ChatGPT quickly gained popularity, being integrated into various platforms, including educational tools and customer support systems. But behind its success lies a staggering investment. OpenAI spent over $1 billion on research and development to bring ChatGPT to life. But where did the funding come from? OpenAI started as a nonprofit organization, but the cost of developing advanced AI required massive funding. In 2019, OpenAI transitioned into a capped profit company to attract investors. Microsoft became the largest investor, pouring in $1 billion to support OpenAI's AI ambitions. This partnership gave OpenAI access to Microsoft's Azure cloud computing infrastructure. In 2023, Microsoft invested an additional $10 billion in OpenAI, securing a long-term partnership. This funding allowed OpenAI to scale ChatGPT and integrate it into Microsoft products like Word and Excel. But who leads the development of ChatGPT? Sam Altman, co-founder and CEO of OpenAI, leads the strategic vision of ChatGPT. Ilya Sutskever, chief scientist and co-founder, is the genius behind its neural network architecture. Ilya Sutskever was a student of Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of deep learning. His expertise in neural networks shaped the development of GPT models. John Schulman, OpenAI's head of research, designed the reinforcement learning techniques used in ChatGPT. These techniques enable ChatGPT to learn from human feedback, making it more conversational and accurate. Together, they created an AI that can generate text indistinguishable from human writing. But they're not alone in this race. Let's meet their biggest competitor, Google Gemini. Google Gemini was born out of Google's ambition to dominate the AI landscape. It's developed by Google DeepMind, the AI research lab known for defeating world champions in complex games like Go. Google DeepMind, led by CEO Demis Hassabis, is famous for its breakthroughs in reinforcement learning. In 2022, Google merged its DeepMind and Brain teams to accelerate AI research. This strategic move combined DeepMind's reinforcement learning expertise with Google Brain's language model advancements. The result? Google Gemini, an AI model designed to surpass ChatGPT in accuracy, speed, and real-time knowledge. Google Gemini is powered by the Gemini LLM, large language model, built on Google's advanced TPU infrastructure. It's integrated with Google Search, giving it access to real-time information and the latest news. But the journey to create Google Gemini was no small feat. Google invested over $200 billion in AI research and development over the past decade. This includes funding for DeepMind, Google Brain, and the development of the Gemini LLM. DeepMind alone costs Google $1 billion per year to operate, mainly due to its expensive computing infrastructure. Google's tensor processing units, TPUs, specially designed for AI training, cost millions to develop and maintain. The merger of DeepMind and Google Brain required significant investment in talent acquisition. Top AI researchers were hired from around the world, including from rival companies like OpenAI and Meta. In 2023, Google announced a $100 billion investment in AI to compete with OpenAI and Microsoft. This funding is aimed at expanding Google Gemini's capabilities and integrating it into Google Workspace. But who's leading this ambitious AI project? Demis Hassabis, CEO of DeepMind, leads the development of Google Gemini. A former child prodigy and neuroscientist, Demis Hassabis is known for his breakthroughs in reinforcement learning. Jeff Dean, head of Google Brain, is the chief architect behind the Gemini LLM. He's one of Google's most influential engineers, credited with developing Google's search ranking algorithms. Oriol Vinyals, a top AI researcher at DeepMind, specializes in neural networks and natural language processing. He designed the architecture that enables Google Gemini to understand complex contexts. Kore Kavukuoglu, VP of Research at DeepMind, oversees the integration of reinforcement learning in Gemini. Together, they've created an AI that not only generates text, but also reasons and learns from real-time data. But how do ChatGPT and Google Gemini compare in real-world performance? We put both AIs to the test in accuracy, creativity, coding, speed, and ethical considerations. Accuracy test. Google Gemini wins with real-time fact-checking and source verification. Creativity test. ChatGPT excels in storytelling and emotional depth. Coding skills. Google Gemini provides more optimized solutions, but ChatGPT is better for learning. Speed. Google Gemini is faster in generating responses. Ethical considerations. Google Gemini is more cautious, while ChatGPT is more transparent. But which one should you choose? Who wins the AI war? Both ChatGPT and Google Gemini are exceptional in their own ways. Your choice depends on your needs. For creativity and storytelling, go with ChatGPT. For real-time accuracy and coding, choose Google Gemini. Which AI do you trust more? Comment below!